Hi, my name's Gabby, and today we're gonna core a pineapple together. I've actually never cored a pineapple before, but I love pineapples, so we're gonna use the Zulay pineapple corer. This one is black. It's very cool. Awesome. So you just push these little buttons and it clicks in immediately. And then it looks like there's instructions on the side. So the first thing it says to do is cut off the top of the pineapple about a ½ inch below the crown. My trusty knife. Okay. I'll stick that to the side. Align the pineapple core on top of the pineapple, making sure it is straight. I can do that. Gently push down while twisting the core clockwise until you reach the bottom of the pineapple. Awesome. Oh wow. Gently. Wow. Pull the core and fruit up and out of the pineapple. Twist to loosen any resistance. No way. Oh my gosh. Look! There you go. All the pineapple is literally out of there. Okay, let's see. I think you can like take it out. You take this off. There you go. Look, we have cored a pineapple and it looks delicious. Let me try this little. Wow, so there you go guys. I have never cut a pineapple and that was literally so easy. So anybody could do that. That was fun too.